Hi, I'm Angela Adds, and this is a cetacea, which means acid lover. The cetacea is organism that can or must live in an acidic environment. An acidic environment is one that has a pH below 6, but if they live under a highly acid condition, their pH is 2.0 and below. Now, the organism can be found in different branches of the tree of life, including the bacteria and eukarya. And right here, you see that this is the tree of life, and then you see the bacteria, archaea, and then you see the eukarya. Now, these also can be found at the Dead Sea, Antarctica, and Yellowstone Park. Now, these cells, how they survive is that they release a protective coating on the outside of the cell to protect from the damage of the acidic environment. Effectively, cellular mechanism within the cytoplasm that combats and buffer extreme changes in the pH within the cell. Each of these characters, along with others, support a cell ability to adapt to extreme environment and strive. And so you see the cell here, and this is the protective coating. Because of the cell organism is important to consider life elsewhere. This tells me that the microorganism, they may play an important role in the extraterrestrial life search. Microorganism from these severe environment may represent models for the origin of the first cell as well as the pattern of extraterrestrial life. And because of the biohabitat are spread throughout the land and water and air, several of these environments are considered severe and extreme from the anthropocentric view. It is reasonable to believe that life exists in many places throughout the cosmos as well. The law of physics and carbon chemistry are everywhere. So we could presume that the sun is not the only star to have planets, and the earth is not the only one that have water. We can see, for an example, that Mars and Euphoria is considered celestial candidates because of the liquid water and perhaps microbial life. These are my reference. Thank you.